In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a professional, comprehensive employee training manual in about 15 minutes using ChatGPT. And if you're new to AI or ChatGPT, don't be scared. I got you. All right, this video is part of a series of training videos I'm putting out to help restaurant owners and managers like you become more efficient running their business using ChatGPT and AI, because this is the direction the world is going. So you'd best jump on board or be left behind like a fallen water skier. Now, at this point, you either have no training manual for your employees, or you have really shitty ones, or you just want to improve on what you have. Okay, which is smart. All right, so here's what I'm going to give you. I'm going to give you the prompts, exactly what to enter into ChatGPT, what questions to ask, and all the content to include when putting this together. And you will be blown away by how fast we can churn this out. Okay, so let's get into it. For starters, these are the 4 steps you need to follow for building this manual. Number 1, we're going to open a new ChatGPT conversation, which I'm going to show you just in a second. All right, stay in that same conversation until this manual is finished. That's number 2. Number 3, after ChatGPT creates each chapter, copy it into a Microsoft Word document or Google Doc, whatever you like to use. And then number 4, do not ask ChatGPT to create the entire manual in one response. Like, create me an employee manual for a restaurant. Okay, it's very important that you enter the prompts the way I'm going to show you. And this is because ChatGPT regurgitates information one chunk at a time. You can't ask it to create a 50 or 75 page manual all at once. So I'm going to provide you the prompts you need to give Chat so it creates this manual for you. And that means an all access pass to my restaurant AI prompt library. All you need to do is click the link in the description, then enter your email address, and I will send you the link to the library, and you will get instant access. You can see it here, the blueprint we're using today, which is the Restaurant Employee Manual Blueprint. You can also see the other blueprint prompts for other videos in this series as I show you how to completely revamp and systemize your restaurant. All you need to do is copy paste the prompts from the blueprint into ChatGPT. It's so simple, a drunken chimpanzee could do it. All right, I'm going to walk you through each one. Okay, so the first thing we're doing, you need to jump on your computer and go to ChatGPT. You could also use Claude AI if you wish, or any other similar AI writing tool. I just personally like Chat. Okay, I also pay like $20 a month to get more expansive answers, but you don't have to. If you're going to use it a lot, I would do it. You get a lot more content as you go. All right, as I mentioned, you can't just enter, write me a restaurant employee manual. That's going to give you the most generic piece of crap manual in the history of manuals. The more details you can provide ChatGPT, the better. And the good news is I have some experience in creating these prompts, so you don't have to. All right, now, before we start prompting Chat, we need to do some prep work first. And by that, I mean, in order to customize your employee manual, Chat is going to need your restaurant details. So it can be about your restaurant. Does that make sense? So let's start by downloading the employee manual blueprint so we can get the restaurant details and the prompts. Again, click the link in the description in your email, and I will send you a link so you can get instant access to your all access pass. Okay, go do that now. I'll wait here. Do it. Okay, I waited long enough. Now that you've done that, you're just going to download it right here and open up the blueprint. And here we are with the employee handbook blueprint. And if we scroll down, you can see there's a little summary that tells what it's all about. We're going to enter prompts, tells you how it works. Again, we're going to complete the restaurant details worksheet. We're going to copy paste it, and then we're going to enter prompts. I'm going to walk you through this right now. Now, here are the restaurant details. Okay, you do not have to fill out every single thing, but the more you fill out, the better your handbook's going to be. And I know it seems like a lot of work, but really, all you're doing is entering information, the data, and Chat's going to do all the creative brain draining work. They're doing all the creativity. All you got to do is fill out as much of this as you can. So all you're going to do is come in here with this blueprint, and you're going to just highlight it. That's a little too far. All the way to here, and then just go into a Google Doc or a Word doc and just paste it right here. And you're going to maybe put some spaces in between here so you can do the answers. And you're just going to fill out these answers. Now, this is going to be the most time-consuming part. Okay, after this, it's going to go fast. So I need you to do this first. You can watch the rest of this video before you do this, but this is going to be step 1, is you're going to fill all this in. Now, I have some answers already filled in, some fictional answers, so we can see a realistic manual and handbook that ChatGPT will create. And you can see, you don't have to make it that long, each answer. All right, you give your hours, you give all some simple stuff here. Do you serve alcohol? Even the mission statement: to provide every guest with outstanding food, friendly service, and an experience that makes them want to come back again and again. Really simple. Core values, service philosophy. So this is all stuff that you need to enter. Again, enter what you can. The more you enter, the better it's going to be. Okay, then we're going to go back to prompt number 1. And we're going to copy paste this into chat. So you got to make sure you go to your computer, you go to chatgpt.com, and we're just going to start from there. So this is the prompt that we're going to enter. You are a professional restaurant operations writer. We are telling chat this so they know who they are. Who creates employee training manuals for independent restaurants? I will provide the detailed information about my restaurant below. Use this information throughout our entire conversation to create a customized service training manual. I'm not going to read this entire thing. I don't want to insult your intelligence, but it's telling it to create a professional manual, the tone to use, begin with chapter 1, what to include, and then in chapter 1 with a 5-question quiz. Here is my completed restaurant information. So you're going to copy paste this, and then before you hit enter, you're going to copy paste all of your information that you filled out. So I'm going to do that now. I'm going to go to chat. Here it is right here. I'm going to enter this. That's the first entry. And then I'm going to hit shift and enter, because if I hit enter, it's going to prompt it right away. All right, so I brought it down a little bit. I'm going to go back to this worksheet, and I'm going to copy all of my restaurant information right here. Everything it asked me to do. I'm going to go back to chat, and I'm going to copy paste that there. Now it has all my restaurant details. All right, that's it. Now we're going to hit enter, and it's going to start building chapter 1. Look how fast it goes. The welcome letter, about the neighborhood grill. It's built chapter 1 already. Okay, now we're going to go back. We're going to go to our blueprint, and we're going to go to prompt 2. Using the information I already provided you, it tells it how to build chapter 2 on policies and professional standards. Okay, and it tells everything to include in there. Do not repeat chapter 1. We're going to head back here. Actually, before we go here, chapter 1. So what you're going to do, you don't have to. I like to copy paste this information into a Google Doc right now, so I'm doing it as I go so I don't lose anything. You shouldn't lose anything as long as you don't exit out of the conversation you're having. Okay, so you can do that. I'm just going to continue on here with the next prompt. Here's the quiz it created, chapter 1 quiz, and the answer key. So you have your new employees do the quiz before they're done. Now we're going to do second prompt for chapter 2. We're going to hit enter. And now it's creating chapter 2. We're going to copy paste this into our new Google Doc. It's literally creating this fast once you enter all your restaurant details. Let's find, here's the training manual completed. I'm not going to do every prompt, but it's created the cover page. Here's all the table of contents, which we're going to create at the very end after it creates everything. It creates a table of contents for you, the final certification it creates for you, and then it starts with chapter 1. Okay, look at the 77 pages over here that it created. I'm going to go all the way down to the bottom, and you can see down here there's a manager evaluation form that you can do with the employee, and then the employee training acknowledgement, they sign it at the end. There's a whole quiz at the end. This is remarkable what it can do for you. You can see how fast I just created this thing simply by having the right prompts that we have here. And you can see all the prompts, prompt 3, prompt 4. You're just going to go through and just paste these in one at a time, and it's going to create an entire manual for you right here. And now you'll have it every time you hire a new employee. Okay, and I know that entering your restaurant details is something that might take you a bit, but it also might be exactly what your restaurant needs. Like if you don't have a mission statement or values and you don't have anything written out, it's time to create them. And after you filled out the information, you can literally build this manual in like 10 minutes. A comprehensive, professional, 77-page employee manual that will actually help you train your employees. All right, and if you like this, make sure to check out my other videos on how to use ChatGPT to help you in other areas of your business, including social media posts, hiring, interviewing, emailing, creating a procedures manual, and even analyzing your financials. And if you don't see them, it's because they aren't out yet and this is brand new, but they're coming soon. Okay, I hope this helped you out. Make sure to download the free prompt sheet so you can create this amazing manual for you and your business. Okay, thanks for hanging out with me today. I'm going to see you next time. I'm out.